नमस्कार मित्रहो, इयत्ता 11वी सेक्रेटरी प्रॅक्टिस या विषयाच्या या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपणा सर्वांचं हार्दिक स्वागत. Before starting this video lecture, I just revised what we studied in previous video lecture. We studied types of secretary. There are two types of secretary: personal secretary and institutional secretary. Personal secretary is appointed by busy individuals like doctors, lawyers, advocates, chartered accountants, and institutional secretary is appointed by secretary of non-profit association, secretary of cooperative societies, secretary of joint stock company, secretary of government department. So this video lecture we covered functions of secretary. First function, correspondence. Then what is meant by correspondence? Correspondence is a written message that attempts to influence the recipient. Recipient means receiver of that letter or receiver of the message to make some action or attitude desired by the sender. जो व्यक्ति है जिसे वो खत लिखा गया है उसने जो भी एक्शन as according to the message or content of the letter, according to the message or content of the letter, it is the duty of receiver of the letter to do some action desired by the sender. So it is the duty of company secretary to look inward. Inward means the letter which received, outward means the letter which sent, mail, replying to inquiries from outsiders, look after records of the organization, to maintain record, to look inward outward mail register, to reply inquiries regarding product, so inquiries from outsiders. So these are the correspondence duty. Correspondence means written communication made by secretary to any person, maybe local authority, maybe government body, maybe within the correspondence within the organization, or he write letter within the organization or outside the organization. All thing is included in the correspondence. So business correspondence is message that attempts to influence its recipient to make some action or attitude desired by the sender. Next function, office management. It is the duty of company secretary to getting things done through with his subordinates, his staff efficiently. It is the duty of company secretary. Secretary supervise, guide, control office staff for smooth functioning of the company. अगर कंपनी स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग करनी है, उसके सारे फंक्शन स्मूथली करने हैं, तो वन ऑफ द ऑफिसर दैट इज अ की ऑफिसर ऑफ कंपनी known as a company secretary who guides his staff subordinates how to do particular task. He divide the work among the staff. He supervise whether the staff is working properly or not. He hear grievances, inquiries, doubts during the working hours. The secretary look after the training, promotion and transfer of office staff, because trained staff is required for a business organization So promotion, transfer from one location to another location within the organization. So all these things handled by secretary, known as office management, known as office management. Next, reception function. A personal secretary attend telephone calls, visitors, fixing their appointment. Okay, so it is known as a reception function. Attend telephone calls, visitors, attend to inquiries, fixing appointment of third party with his employer. So all these are the reception function. This job is done by personal secretary mainly, because one of the duty of personal secretary, that is reception function, he attend visitors, he note down appointments, he fix the appointments, he attend telephone calls on behalf of his employer. So this is known as a reception function of secretary. Next, financial functions. Secretary handles the banking transactions on behalf of his employer, maintain proper books of accounts on behalf of his employer, how much money comes if it is a personal secretary. Then keep watch on receipts and payments. Receipts means कितना रेवेन्यू हमें मिला है, पेमेंट्स मीन्स हमने कितने खर्चे किए हैं, और रिसिप्ट्स में मतलब हमें कितनी अमाउंट मिली है थ्रू सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस थ्रू मेंबरशिप फीस। सो उसका जो अकाउंट मेंटेन करने का काम है वो भी सेक्रेटरी करता है। सेक्रेटरी प्रोवाइड द नेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन टू एम्प्लॉयर, मैनेजमेंट, बैंक्स and government and staff, and his work as a connecting link between staff, outsiders, management. Arranging meetings. Next function is arranging meetings. Meeting means gathering or assembling together to discuss some important matters, to take various decisions, to decide plan, policy, strategies, to approve decisions taken by board of directors from shareholders. So all these things are included. For doing all these types of jobs, secretary conduct meetings between the employer and any other party, general meetings of the board, and committee meeting, draft notices, committee meetings, draft notices. So all these are the duties during secretary perform various duties during, before and after the meeting, to write minutes, to arrange proper location for meetings, to take attendance of present members, visitors. Next function is statutory. Statutory means the function which is given in the act or law, by law. As we discussed in last video lecture, that is secretary's work as a compliance officer, legal compliance officer. Making compliance, making fulfillment, making submission of provision of various acts. Secretary also comply with Income Tax Act, Shop Act, GST Act, Goods and Service Tax, filing returns, filing special resolution with the registrar of companies. So all these are the statutory duties or duties which are given in the act. Statutory duties, or statutory means the duties of secretary or functions of secretary which is given in law or act, known as statutory duties. Next, secretaries work as assistants in formulating policies. As we discussed earlier in last videos, he is the person who is closely connected with each and every affairs of the business organization. He is closely connected with each and every department of the organization. His views, observations, analysis is helpful for management for deciding policies. The secretary has to collect various types of data, statistical data, numerical data, and with the help of this data he present the data in systematic manner in front of board of directors to take or to formulate policies, whether we have whether we where we are presently and where we want to reach in our future. So all these things is decided by board of directors with the assistance of secretary while formulating or while deciding, while making policies, plans and strategies. Next, providing information. As I discuss providing information, as I discussed earlier, he is the person who is the custodian of secret information of the organization. So when the information is to be disclosed, with whom the information is to be disclosed, all these decisions are taken by secretary as and whenever necessary, which information is to be required to be disclosed, which information is to be kept as secrets of the organization. So all these things are decided by secretary. So he provide accurate information to proper authorities like banks, governments, shareholders, employees, management, as and whenever necessary and demands by that proper authorities. So providing information is also one of the function of secretary. Next, administrative function, appointing employees, distribution of office work, training, promotion, maintain all statutory books under proper custodies. Administrative function, the secretary perform administrative functions like assistance in appointing employees, distribution of office work, training, promotion, maintain all statutory books under proper custody. All these are administrative duties of secretary. Which staff is suitable for which post, how the work is distributed among the staff to get done within the given stipulated time period. Next, promotion to staff as and whenever required, training to the staff. So all these things are administrative duties of secretary. Also maintain statutory books like register of member, register of debenture holder, minute books, various files, documents under proper custody. So all these are administrative functions, administrative duties of secretary. Okay, this is very simple part of this topic, that is functions of secretary. After watching this video, you have to write down short note on functions of secretary. And if you find this video is helpful to you as far as your study is concerned, then subscribe my channel Sridesh 999. Okay, good day.